In this video I'm going to show you how to make your own book cloth for your bookbinding projects. I've bought these fat quarters from a local craft shop. Fat quarters are 1/4 yard of fabric, and depending on the design I can get enough book cloth for 2 A5 size books from 1 fat quarter. It all depends if the pattern's got a top and bottom to it. These are great for making book cloth, as they're generally a craft cotton that doesn't really stretch at all. I'm going to trim this piece of fabric down to the required size. Although you can't see it on camera, I'm using my measuring guide on my craft mat to measure 40 cm by 30 cm. We're also going to need some Bonder web, which is an iron-on adhesive. Other brands are available. I believe Heat and Bond is a popular brand in the States. We're going to need a piece just a tiny bit smaller than the piece of cloth. If it's bigger than the fabric, then when we iron it on, the overlapping Bonder web will stick to the ironing board and make a mess. We also need a piece of tissue paper, which is slightly bigger than the fabric. First we need to press the tissue paper and fabric with a dry iron. We just need to smooth out the paper to get rid of any creases, and set it to one side. We're going to do the same with the fabric. We just want to iron out any creases. Then take the Bonder web or Heat and Bond and place it rough side down onto the wrong side of the fabric, making sure that it doesn't overlap. Check the manufacturer's instructions for the temperature settings you need to use. Gently run the iron over the Bonder web. Then carefully peel back the paper and dispose of it. It's easy to pick it up thinking it's your tissue paper. Then place your tissue paper over the cloth and gently press, working from the centre outwards. This will secure the fabric to the tissue paper. Fastening the tissue paper to the fabric in this way means when we glue the boards to the fabric, there's less chance that glue will seep through and ruin the look of your book. It also stiffens the fabric a little, making it easier to work with. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more craft tutorials. Thanks for watching.